Start with the 43rd example, and what is said here: a 6.5 meter long ladder placed against a vertical wall reaching a height of 6 meter. So here this is the ladder which is 6.5 meter long, and it is reaching a height from the ground of 6 meter like this. Okay, a 60 kg man stands halfway up the ladder. So 60 kg man stands halfway here, so its weight would be acting downward 60 g up the ladder. Find the torque of the force exerted by the man on the ladder about the upper end. So we need to find torque about this upper end, say B. This is the center of the rod. Okay, so here not center, this is point C. The complete length is 6.5 meter. Okay, so here let's first of all we need to find this angle. If this is theta, this angle will also be theta. So the third side will be equal to the square of hypotenuse minus 6 square. So 6.5 square minus 6 square. So let's find in the rough work what is 65 multiplied by 65. 5 5 is a 25, 2 carry, 5 6 are 30 plus 2, 325 plus 6 5 is 30, 0 3 carry, 6 6 are 36 plus 3 would be 39. 5 2 2 4 4 2 2 5. Decimal point after 2 digit. 36. The square of 6 will be 36. 42.25 and 36. So this is 5, this is 2. 1 carry. 12 minus 6 will be 6. So that comes out to be 6.25. While the root of 6.25 would be 2.5. So this is 2.5. Now the torque of the weight about point B would be equal to first. So that would be an anti-clockwise torque positive. F into distance r is half of 6.5 into sine theta. So 60g into 6.5 upon 2 into what is sine theta? Side opposite upon hypotenuse. So this 6.5, this 6.5 will get cancelled out. 2 1s are 2, 3s are 6, 0 30. So it will be 30 into 2.5 into value of g as 9.8. So 25 3s is 75. So 750 will become 75 into 9.8. So let's again multiply in the rough work 75 and 9.8. So 98 and 75. 5 8s are 40, 0 4 carry, 5 9s are 45 plus 4 will be 49 plus 7 8s are 56 will be 5 carry, 7 9s are 63 plus 5 will be 68. So the addition comes out to be 0 5 1 carry. 8 plus 4 12 plus 1 13 3 1 carry. 6 plus 1 7. Decimal point after 1 digit. So that comes out to be 735 Newton meter. Okay. That is the torque due to this thing about what is said here about upper end of the rod. Now next, let's take the next page. We need to find the force exerted by the ground on the ladder. So here if you see the FBD of the ladder carefully, from the center the weight of this person is acting downward, while the reaction from end A is acting here, friction is acting here, and the reaction from B is acting here. Okay, and instead of angles, the dimensions are given to us. The rod is 6.5 meter, this is 6 meter, and this is 2.5 meter. What is the weight is 60 kg. So this is 60 into g. So first of all I can say NA equal to, so what is NA equal to? So total force acting up must be equal to total force acting down, so NA is 60g. While total force acting right must be equal to total force acting left, friction is equal to NB, but we don't know the value of NB. So let's find the torque. Torque about point A must be 0. So let's find the torque. So here clockwise, that is 60 into g into distance 6.5 half into this angle, which is sine theta, and sine theta is nothing but side opposite upon hypotenuse. And the torque due to NB will be anti-clockwise positive. So NB into 6.5 into this angle. So this will be the angle between them, that is phi. So what is sine phi? Side opposite upon hypotenuse, 6 upon 6.5 equal to 0. 6.5, 6.5 get cancelled, 6.5, 6.5 get cancelled. Okay. 2 1s are 2 30s are, so that comes out to be minus 75g plus 6 NB equal to 0. So NB comes out to be 75 upon 6. Now 3 2s are 6 and 3 25s are 12.5. So value of this thing comes out to be 12.5 and G remains as it is, NB. So frictional force will also be 12.5 into G. So therefore I can say here the frictional force is equal to NB, and as the value of NB is 12.5 G, so this will be 12.5 G. So NA and the frictional force are the two forces which is exerted by the ground on the ladder. So let's multiply now final. So as NA is 60 into G, that is 60 into 9.8. So 6 8s are 48, 4 carry, 6 9s are 54 plus 4 58, 1 0 decimal point after one digit. 588 Newton is the force exerted by the ground in vertical upward direction, while frictional force is 12.5 into 9.8. So we need to do it in the rough work. 125 into 9.8, and I will put decimal point afterward. 8 5s are 40, 0 4 carry, 8 2s are 16 plus 4 will be 20, 0 2 carry, 8 1s are 8, 0 plus 9 5s are 45, 4 carry, 9 2s are 18 plus 4 22, 2 carry, 9 1s are 9 plus 2 will be 11. 0 5 2 2 1 decimal point after 2 digit. So that comes out to be 122.5 Newton. Thank you.